Aha. Now,
But
Mad Dog, boom,
Well,
gone.
gone, just like
What's the deal?
I Dream of Jeannie. And actually, I'll tell you what, we're going to be over at Bart Star Plaza, so he went ahead and took a,
He's setting up.
which is sort of good. He's out in the rain, and
Yep.
doggone, I'm stuck here inside. I wonder who's the smart one.
Nice dry weather. I
Nice
like
try.
that.
Hey, we're doing some fajitas. Mad Dog even did some great barbecues. He did some sloppy joes, which he went ahead and used some regular barbecue chicken.
Yep.
All right, and he's got some onions, and he's got some celery mixed up there. Made his own barbecue sauce. Put a little bit of our, what did he put in there? He put a little bit of our garlic in there.
Okay.
And then even for you and Ann, he's got some where he didn't even put any onions in. So
Hey,
Ann, you better
that's
eat some
our
of this.
style. I'm going to
You
arm
better
wrestle
eat
you
some
in
of
for a
this.
Sammy there.
I did some skirt steak.
Yeah.
All right, skirt steak's very easy to do on the grill. A lot of times you don't want to overcook it. You actually want it more on the medium rare side. A lot of people like it well done, so I went ahead on the end of it, of the steak. It's well done, but all that I did today was I used a little bit of our olive oil, a little bit of the Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of cumin, and I used a little juice of some lemon and lime in there. I only marinated this for about 30 minutes, but actually you should go ahead and marinate that for about 4 to 6 hours. And if you want, you can go ahead and squeeze a little bit of the lime over on top of there if you'd like. A little bit of that, or a little bit of the lemon. Let's see if I'm tough this morning. I am. And I just
Oh,
put
you
just
got
a
me in
little
the
bit.
eye.
No.
I'm kidding.
All right, good, good. But I love these. I mean, these are something you do way ahead of time. I did go outside and actually grill this.
Okay.
So I got some onions and I got some peppers in there. And for those people that don't like onions and peppers, don't put them on.
What kind of heat are you going to do with skirt steak? 'Cause
You know,
it's
the
really
skirt
thin.
steak, you know what I did? I actually did this more of a high heat outside because I
Okay.
didn't want to hurt, I didn't want to mess my hair up. So,
Ba-dum-bum.
what? Well, anyway, but that's basically all what you have to do. You can serve these hot right off the grill if you like, but that's basically it. All what you have to do for a nice fajita on the grill. You could also do it with the chicken too
good.
on there. So,
I've already snuck some already.
I'm going to take this one too. It is really nice and tender and things.
Hey,
too,
you
so.
got a show on the CW14.
Yeah, we're on the CW14 today at 9:30. So
9:30.
come over and flip the old channel over to CW14. And there again, if you're over at the game today, stop by Bart Star Plaza. We're going to be taping in about another 10 minutes, believe it or not.
And you're going to be cooking it up. I heard chicken, and more chicken.
Chicken, more chicken, a little bit of kraut, a little bit of pizzas, a little bit of everything over there today.
Looking forward to
All
it.
right,
It's going to be
sounds
an
good.
interesting day for cooking.
Yes,
but,
it will.
You could see him cook in the rain.
Yep. Well, I won't mess up my hair, that's for sure.
I love it.